One of the simplest ways to earn money for free with Chat GPT is through this strategy I will be sharing with you in this step-by-step tutorial. Using this method, I was able to generate over $10,000 in revenue, as you can see from the $9,000 and $5,000 I earned from 2 instances. However, before we delve into that, let's start with the first step. Head over to Chat GPT, an AI language model that can perform several tasks, such as completing homework and writing emails. Today, we'll be using Chat GPT to make money online in a particular way. All you need to do is go to Kiko, an online tool that allows you to create your own store without owning any products or inventory. You can create a free account and start building your store by adding various items from different websites. Even though you are not directly affiliated with these sites, you will earn a commission when someone buys products from your store. Simply click the plus icon to add products to your store from different websites. To get started, simply create a new store and enter a name for it. It's important to focus on a specific niche, such as music instruments, toys, clothes, gym equipment, or equipment for barbers or basketball players. To reduce competition and increase profitability as a beginner, it's recommended to build the store in a language other than English using Chat GPT. For example, I'll be building a Spanish store selling gym equipment, even though I don't speak Spanish. To come up with name ideas, I'll ask Chat GPT for suggestions. The names should be one word in Spanish, and Chat GPT can even provide translations to ensure accuracy. With Chat GPT's help, we've got a great list of options like musculation, muscle building, resistencia, resistance, and energia, energy, that will work perfectly for our store. Now we just need to decide which one to use. Perhaps I'll choose energy as my top pick and copy that name. Then I'll head over to kit.co and paste that name, and I can also add a brief description. For now, I'll leave it blank. Next, I can search for different gym equipment products online. This doesn't necessarily have to be in Spanish, but I can of course search for Spanish products if I want to. I'll start by searching for a dumbbell, as it's an essential item for any gym goer. I'll add that to my kit, and then I'll think about all the other products people might need to build their own gym. I can even search for things that are related to working out and just keep adding these products to my kit. The goal is to find as many different products as possible that are related to each other, so that customers can buy multiple items from your store and increase your commission potential. Once I have at least 10 to 15 products added to my store in Spanish or any other language, I can click on the View Kit button to see what my store looks like. It will display my store name and all the products I've added, which I can earn commission on if someone buys them from my store. I can simply press the Copy Link to Share button on the right-hand side to share my store. I can ask Chat GPT to write a useful article in Spanish that helps people interested in building a home gym. If I'm only selling camping equipment, I can ask Chat GPT to write an article about camping tips or tutorials instead, providing value to potential customers. Step by step, we are going to start writing this article in Spanish in order to drive traffic to our store and increase sales. With the help of Chat GPT, we have a complete article that we can easily copy and paste on a platform like medium.com, which is visited by millions of people every month. While the majority of content on Medium is in English, there are other languages available as well. After translating our article using Google Translate, we can also write a title for our article, such as Step-by-Step Tutorial on How to Build a Home Gym. Throughout the article, we will add a call to action, encouraging readers to click on a link that will take them directly to our store. We will insert the link at various points in the article and make sure to highlight it for maximum visibility. The goal is to make it easy for readers to start building their home gym right away. We can also add images to the article to make it more visually appealing. By including calls to action throughout the article, we hope to drive traffic to our store and ultimately make money online. I am going to add an image to make this look more visually appealing. To do this, I will go to Unsplash and search for images related to the gym or home gym. I will then publish the image and include keywords in my Medium article that are related to the topic. I may use Google Translate or chat with you, Chat GPT, to help me find these keywords in Spanish. This way, I can attract people who are interested in this topic and hopefully encourage them to buy products from my store, earning me affiliate commissions. I hope this video was helpful in giving you some ideas on how to enhance your Medium articles with images and keywords. Making money with AI can be a complex topic, but by using tools like Google Translate and seeking advice from AI language models like Chat GPT, you can increase your chances of success. The key to making affiliate commissions is to attract the right audience with the right content. So keep experimenting and exploring new strategies to make your articles stand out. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future.